Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you must install .NET Desktop Runtime error on Windows 11, 10. Search with .NET Desktop Runtime download. Find your system type. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.